Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video using the June My Monthly Hero Kit from Hero Arts. This adorable kit is filled with the cutest dog and cat images that you'll love adding to your cards. So let's get started. First, I stamped the cute kitty and his balloons from the kit onto white cardstock with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder. Then I colored them with Copic Markers. I used toner grays on the kitty to color him like my tuxedo cat Havoc. I started with my lightest shade first, T4, and then added shadows with my darkest marker, T8. Next, I blended back towards my lightest shade with T6 and T5. I used T4, T2, and T0 on his belly, socks, and tail and blended it together with the colorless blender. For the balloons, I colored them with silver markers. First, I started by coloring them with R35 and intentionally left a bit of a white highlight. Then I added my darkest marker, R59, and added shadows in all the areas where the balloons were being covered by another balloon. Then I used R39 and R37 to blend out the shadows. I went back over the balloons with R35 and then decided to soften the white highlight. I colored over them with R32 and R35, and then used R30 in my colorless blender to lighten the areas again. Finally, I decided to add a bit more shading with E49 and then blended out the balloons once more. Once I was finished, I die cut them with the coordinating frame cuts. Next, I blended Pool Party and Splash Reactive inks diagonally on a piece of Strathmore Bristol smooth cardstock. I let it dry and then trimmed it down to an A2 panel. I took a second A2 panel of Dove White cardstock and cut it at an angle. I trimmed off a little from the top and bottom to create a window for my blended panel. Then I used my MISTI to stamp my sentiment from the kit on the blended panel so it would sit along the diagonal frame. I stamped it with VersaFine and heat embossed it with clear embossing powder. Then I adhered the white panels and added the kitten and balloons with foam mounting tape to finish the card. And that's it. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. And here are a few more cards I created using the June My Monthly Hero kit from Hero Arts and some of the fun add-ons. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!